Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS 15. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS 15 won't turn on at all, it can be quite frustrating. This issue can often arise from a faulty power supply or a dead battery. If left unattended, the problem could escalate, potentially leading to more severe damage, which might be costly to repair. To tackle this problem, you will need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge. First, let's open the device safely. Begin by placing your Dell XPS 15 on a flat surface. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws on the back panel. Ensure you keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, carefully use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any of the clips. Now that the back panel is removed, inspect the battery and power connector. The most common issue here is a faulty battery. To locate it, follow the power connector from the motherboard to the battery. If the connector appears damaged or loose, you may need to replace it. To extract the battery, gently disconnect the cables connected to it, making sure to note where each cable goes. The screws holding the battery in place will also need to be removed, so keep track of them. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To replace the battery, simply reverse the process, place the new battery in position, secure it with screws, and reconnect the cables, ensuring they are snugly fitted. After replacing the battery, carefully replace the back panel, pressing down until it clicks into place. Finally, reinsert the screws you removed earlier to secure everything. Once you've closed it up, plug in your device and try turning it on. If it powers up, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you regularly check your battery health and avoid exposing your device to extreme temperatures. Regular maintenance can also help prolong the life of your laptop. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.